Everybody, today's art project, and we'll do the worksheet together with this one. Today's art project is the Dot Art letter F. So you're going to need your dot marker that I sent home in your pencil box, and you're going to unscrew the top. Again, have the students do as much of this as they can. So you can go ahead and loosen it and then show them how to turn it and take it off. It's a really good fine motor skill for them to have. So then once they take the cap off, we're going to always, again, start at the top of the letter. Don't start at the bottom because we don't want them to think that that's how we form these letters. So we start at the top and we go down, up, and use the words down, up, down, up. It's not only showing them the action and teaching them the word, but also it helps them establish a pattern that they can follow in their brains and go up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And make sure they are filling in the letter just like they would if they were writing the letter. So again, starting at the top, down, up, down, up, down, up. You could do hand over hand for maybe like 4 or 5 and then let go of their hand and see if they're able to do it. If they go on other parts of the page, just try to redirect. Don't necessarily hold their hand the whole time because we want them to start to understand how to do dot art on their own. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. All right. And it is for our letter, which is letter F. So that is our art project for today. And then our worksheet is follow the path vertical. So these are the blocks and the items from our story. The letters are lost. So you're going to have them use a broken crayon and have them start at the top of the letter so you can have them point or show you where the letter A is and say, okay, we want to get to the airplane, and then have, again, don't use a full-size marker because they'll use the fisted grip. Just use a broken crayon with them and have them start at the star and go down to the dot. Start at the star, go down to the dot, start at the star, go down to the dot. So we're practicing making the vertical lines. If you want to reuse the sheet, you can also put it in the sleeve that I sent home and use the whiteboard marker. Although eventually just try to use the crayon and use this sheet because the whiteboard markers don't require a lot of fine motor skill because they slide on their own versus the crayon has drag when they go to pull it down the paper. So the crayon actually works on more of the fine motor aspect. So again, on the back, starting at the star, so D to dog, E to egg, F to fish, and G to glasses. We're just going to finish those vertical lines, and that is our worksheet for today.